Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about editing images in HTML. Okay, let me write a document. Editing images in HTML, right? And as usual, here I'm writing my text. Let's say hello. I am Andrew. And I have specific tag for images, it's img. Here, this is place where I insert my image. And why do we need alt? This is really easy. You need alt when the person, the reader who reads your website right now, or he, if by any means he will not be able to see that photo, he can at least know what is that, and he can read it. And I'll write here building, because this is the photo of the building. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's fine. You see? Hello, I'm Andrew. And let's say I want to add some properties. This is width, and I want it to be 800. And this is height, and I want it to be 500. So now you can see that it's a bit wider and it's taller. And we can do the same actually. Let's do this. So it shrinked, right? And what about this? Yeah. So yeah, you can change, the property of each and every photo by your standards, by your, perspective, how you liked it. That was our class actually. That's really easy. And you can actually add URL and I'll teach you doing that. For example, you can add any photo, whatever you want, and let's say BM and I want this. I like this photo. This is this photo, let's say, and I like this. I can copy and I can insert it here, and I can insert it here for sure. Yes. Well, sorry. Well, I didn't actually copy it. Okay. I mean, I want the copy of that photo and edit here. And now let's check the website. I can't see photo, but see, there is building. So right now I wanted to show you what will happen if the reader will not be able to read it. There will be the name of the photo, so that even if I can't see, even if I don't know the picture itself, I do know that it's a building of kind. Thank you for that lesson. Subscribe if you want more of those videos. Bye.